Hello students. So far as dictation for DSSB, DDA and Rajasthan High Court skill exam is concerned, the speed is the same, but the only difference is of duration. So those who want for the Rajasthan High Court skill, if they want, they can reduce the time. They can set the time of 6 or 7 minutes, whatever they want, and rest can write for the total dictation. Thank you. Please be ready for dictation of a matter taken from the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Lok Sabha. It is from chapter 13 relating to resolutions. 5 seconds. Start. A member other than a minister who wishes to move a resolution on a day allotted for private members' resolutions shall give a notice to that effect at least 2 days before the date of ballot. The names of all members from whom such notices are received shall be balloted, and those members who secure the first 3 places in the ballot for the day allotted for private members' resolutions shall be eligible to give notice of one resolution each within 2 days after the date of the ballot. A resolution may be in the form of a declaration of opinion or a recommendation, or may be in the form so as to record either approval or disapproval of the House of an act or policy of government, or convey a message or command, urge or request an action, or call attention to a matter or situation for consideration by government, or in such other form as the Speaker may consider appropriate. Subject to the provisions of these rules, a member or a minister may move a resolution relating to a matter of general public interest. The Speaker shall decide whether resolution or a part thereof is or is not admissible under these rules, and may disallow any resolution or a part thereof when the Speaker is of the opinion that it is an abuse of the right of moving a resolution, or calculated to obstruct or prejudicially affect the procedure of the House, or is in contravention of these rules. No resolution which seeks to raise discussion on a matter pending before any statutory tribunal or statutory authority performing any judicial or quasi-judicial functions, or any commission or court of inquiry appointed to inquire into or investigate any matter shall ordinarily be permitted to be moved, provided that the Speaker may, in his own discretion, allow such matter being raised in the House as if concerned with the procedure or subject or stage of inquiry, if the Speaker is satisfied that it is not likely to prejudice the consideration of such matter by the statutory tribunal, statutory authority, commission, or court of inquiry. A member in whose name a resolution stands on the list of business shall accept when that member wishes to withdraw it, when called upon, move the resolution, and shall commence one's own speech by a formal motion in the terms appearing in the list of business. A member may, with the permission of the Speaker, authorize any other member in whose name the same resolution stands lower in the list of business to move it on her or his behalf, and the member so authorized may move it accordingly. If a member other than a minister, when called on, is absent, any other member authorized by that member in writing in her or his behalf may, with the permission of the Speaker, move the resolution standing in the name of such member. After a resolution has been moved, any member may, subject to the rules relating to resolutions, move an amendment to the resolution. If notice of such amendment has not been given 1 day previous to the day on which the resolution is moved, any member may object to the moving of the amendment, and such objection shall prevail unless the Speaker allows the amendment to be moved. The Secretary General shall, if time permits, make available to members from time to time lists of amendments of which notices have been received. No speech on a resolution shall, except with the permission of the Speaker, exceed 15 minutes in duration, provided that the mover of a resolution, when moving the same, and the minister concerned, when speaking for the first time, may speak for 30 minutes or for such longer time as the Speaker may permit. The discussion on a resolution shall be strictly relevant to and within the scope of the resolution. A member in whose name a resolution stands on the list of business may, when called upon, withdraw the resolution and shall confine to making of a mere statement to the effect. A member who has moved a resolution or amendment to a resolution shall not withdraw the same except by leave of the House. When any resolution involving several points has been discussed, the Speaker may divide the resolution and put each or any point separately to the vote as the Speaker may think fit. When a resolution has been moved, no resolution or amendment raising substantially the same question shall be moved within 1 year from the date of the moving of the earlier resolution. provided that when a resolution has been withdrawn with the leave of the House, no resolution raising substantially the same question shall be moved during the same session. A copy of every resolution which has been passed by the House shall be forwarded to the minister concerned. Stop.